Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Christopher, and welcome to my channel where we explore the incredible power of natural remedies. Today we are going to unlock the secrets of nature's medicine cabinet. We're talking about 15 DIY remedies that are not only effective, but also super easy to make at home. We're ditching the harsh chemicals and expensive medications and embracing the healing power of nature. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural remedies that actually work. Forget the chemicals and pricey pharmaceuticals. We're bringing you 15 tried and true DIY solutions for common ailments. Let's get started. First up is a classic remedy that's been used for centuries: honey for a sore throat. Honey works wonders for soothing inflammation and fighting off bacteria thanks to its antimicrobial properties. Just add a tablespoon or two to a cup of warm water or tea and feel the relief wash over you. It's like a warm hug for your throat. Next, we've got aloe vera, a true miracle worker for burns. Aloe vera is a succulent with incredible healing properties, providing instant relief from pain and promoting faster healing. Simply break open a leaf and apply the gel directly to the burn. You'll be amazed at how quickly it soothes and cools the affected area. Feeling nauseous? Ginger is here to save the day. Whether it's motion sickness, morning sickness, or just an upset stomach, ginger has been used for ages to combat nausea. Brew a cup of fresh ginger tea by simmering a few slices of ginger in hot water. Take small sips and you'll feel your stomach settling in no time. If you're struggling to get a good night's sleep, lavender is your new best friend. Its calming aroma has been shown to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Just add a few drops of lavender essential oil to your diffuser or pillowcase and let the soothing scent lull you into a peaceful slumber. Turmeric, with its vibrant yellow hue, is a powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation. Its active compound, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory effects that can help alleviate pain and swelling. Simply add a teaspoon of turmeric to your smoothies, curries, or even just warm milk for a delicious and healing treat. Headaches got you down? Peppermint oil is here to the rescue. The cooling sensation of peppermint oil can help relieve tension, headaches, and migraines. Just gently massage a few drops onto your temples, forehead, and back of your neck and feel the pain melt away. Apple cider vinegar is a digestive superhero, helping to balance your gut bacteria and improve digestion. Just mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it before meals to aid digestion and prevent bloating. Garlic is a natural antibiotic and antiviral powerhouse, making it a must-have for fighting off colds and flu. You can add garlic to your meals or take garlic supplements to boost your immune system and keep those pesky viruses at bay. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that works wonders for dry skin. Its fatty acids hydrate and nourish the skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Simply apply coconut oil directly to your skin after showering or bathing for a luxurious and effective moisturizing treatment. Epsom salt baths are a godsend for sore muscles. The magnesium in Epsom salts helps to relax muscles, reduce inflammation, and ease pain. Just add 2 cups of Epsom salts to a warm bath and soak for at least 20 minutes for ultimate muscle relief. Chamomile is famous for its calming and relaxing properties, making it perfect for stress relief. Brew a cup of chamomile tea and sip it slowly, letting the gentle aroma and flavor soothe your mind and body. Baking soda is a simple yet effective remedy for heartburn. Its alkaline nature helps to neutralize stomach acid and alleviate the burning sensation. Just mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water and drink it slowly for quick heartburn relief. Cucumbers are known for their cooling and anti-inflammatory properties, making them a great natural remedy for puffy eyes. Simply place chilled cucumber slices over your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes to reduce swelling and refresh tired eyes. A saltwater gargle is an age-old remedy for sore throats. The salt helps to draw out excess fluid and reduce inflammation, providing soothing relief. Just mix a teaspoon of salt with a cup of warm water and gargle for 30 seconds, then spit out the water and repeat as needed. Olive oil can provide relief from earaches due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Warm a small amount of olive oil and carefully put a few drops into the affected ear. Make sure the oil is not too hot to avoid burns. So, there you have it. 15 natural remedies that are safe, effective, and easy to incorporate into your daily life. Remember, these remedies are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any concerns, always consult with your healthcare provider. And there you have it. 15 natural remedies that you can trust and try at home. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy, natural life. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Stay healthy and see you next time.